All my friend, welcome to my channel. You are watching Giri Ramesh Electrical. In this video, we will learn how do we can repair exhaust fan. Please watch video until end. I already test this fan. This one not working. For repair, we need to open fan blade. Then we need to disconnect capacitor. Now I am going to disconnect capacitor. Then we need to test capacitor. If capacitor weak, that time also fan not running, not working. This fan capacitor no problem. I already test capacitor. Then we need to check bearing and fan coil. If capacitor good, we need to check bearing and fan coil. This capacitor good, that's why I am going to check fan coil and bearing. If bearing jam, that time also fan not working. Now I am going to open fan motor. From the fan frame, I open screw from the motor. Now I am going to remove fan motor from the frame, fan frame. Then we need to open fan motor, same like video. We need to open slowly. If more hammering, fan coil will damage. Now I am going to remove motor housing from the stator. Then we need to remove rotor from the stator. Rotor have two bearing. We need to check this bearing. This fan coil wire broken from the PCB. That's why this fan not working. For repair, we need to refix rotor inside the stator. Then we need to soldering the coil wire. All winding wire outside have plastic insulation. We need to clean, then soldering. Now I am going to soldering the wire. How to soldering and repair fan? Please watch video until end. For good soldering, we need 80 watt to 100 watt soldering iron. I already extend coil wire. Now I am going to soldering coil wire on the control PCB. How to soldering and repair this fan? This is the wire termination PCB. From here I will make part 2. This one video it will long. That's why I will upload part 2. Please watch.